And good afternoon, folks. Chief Meteorologist Nick Lilia here with a look at your tropical update for October 20th of 2020. I'm brought up by the folks over there at Pine Belt Gutters and Remodeling. Right now out in the tropics, we've got Epsilon out there, and that's kind of about it. We've got another area of interest. It's kind of the same one we've been talking about for the better part of the last 2 weeks down here in the Caribbean. This is very loosely associated with kind of the Central American gyre. There's no real wave out here. It's just this kind of cluster of convection that won't really go away. A 10% chance of development over the next 5 days. The idea here is that this area, this first area, may actually get kind of pulled north and ripped apart by an incoming front. There may be yet another area, and this is kind of what happens with the CAG out there, is there may be another area back in behind it that may try and do something as well. And then, of course, we've got Epsilon over here. Wind at 65, gusting to 75 miles an hour. This one kind of taking more of an aim at Bermuda. Thought is it'll be a Category 1 hurricane as it moves north and eventually pulls back around to the northeast. Should not affect anybody along the United States coastline. In fact, looking at the model data, the 700 millibar moisture, 850 vorticity, and you can kind of see where Epsilon goes. There it is right there. Of course, Bermuda kind of right in there, and then kind of the broader area into the northwest Caribbean and southern Gulf of Mexico. Off goes Epsilon, and then we kind of have to wait and see what happens. Maybe another little area tries to develop out here as we head through Tuesday and into Wednesday of next weweek. That gets into the Bay of Campeche, but doesn't really do anything once it gets there because another front rolls through as we head through kind of the middle of next week and toward Halloween across parts of the southern Gulf Coast. Or I should say the northern Gulf Coast, the southern United States. Tropically speaking, there isn't as much going on right now, thank goodness. So we had a long enough hurricane season this year. This week may be our last tropical updates that we offer as we make the switch to severe weather season here in South Mississippi. So for now, just as kind of a heads up, this has been your tropical update, perhaps the last one this week, brought to you by the folks over there at Pine Belt Gutters and Remodeling.